Okay. Ohm's law is a formula used to describe the relationship between the three different factors in an electrical circuit. We have voltage that is represented by the V. We have current represented by an I, and we have resistance represented by the R. If you draw this as a pie, then you can use this formula to figure out the missing number, the missing element. Okay? Resistance is measured in ohms. I is going to represent current. Current. And it is measured in A for amps. And V, voltage, okay, is measured in volts. So if we had ourselves a basic circuit here with a battery, okay, and we went out to a fuse, over to, let's say, a switch, and then a load, like a light bulb. We could state knowns of the circuit and then solve for the unknown. Like this being a 12-volt battery. And let's say the resistance of the light bulb is 6 ohms if we measure across it with a multimeter. Then in a perfect world, what we're missing here is amps, and we will try to solve for it, which is current. We would just cover what we're trying to solve for and plug the other numbers into the equation. So we have 12 volts, we have 6 ohms. So that means that I would be equal to V over R, volts over resistance, okay? I is equal to 12 divided by 6. So then I is equal to 2 amps. As long as we have 2 known numbers, then we can go ahead and do that. This is a simple circuit. You could call it a series circuit, I suppose. But depending on whether you're calculating for a series circuit with multiple loads or a parallel circuit with multiple loads, those have different rules. Okay? And we can go over the rules at another time, but this is just the basics to get you started with Ohm's law if you're struggling with that concept.